Hello friend, today we will see that how to create a TMG. TMG means table maintenance generator. So why table maintenance generator is required? So here you can see the table which we created. Once click on the change, go to the utility, table content, create entries. So here through here also you can enter the data, but for the functional consultants they not have that access of SE11 T code, and for authorization point of view or the security point of view we not given that access of SE11 because they can delete the fields also, they can do changes on that existing table. So that's the reason we give that create a TMG for them, and where they can able to test the things and all. So here go to that utility, click on the table maintenance generator, click on yes, enter. Okay, let's it is in active mode, the table. So again put first activate the table. Without activate table we can't generate the table maintenance generator. So that is the prerequisite of table maintenance generator. Wait for a second. Once it is activated, then we'll generate table maintenance generator. Click no. Yeah, so the table is activated. Now go to the utility, click on the table maintenance generator. Here authorizations required. So you can take the authorizations with the help of basis team. If you not want to give that authorizations in the table level, so you can put n%, nc, n%, and authorization group you can give that table name also. Initially we'll discuss later on this what is the use of functional group. And here there is a maintenance type. So one step, two step. What is mean of that? So one steps means that if you when we give the TMGs to that functional consultants, so they can view the table content in the same screen and they can enter the data in the same screen. If you give the two steps, then second screen will appear when they entering the data. So that is the only concept of one step and two steps. Here we will give that screen name. So 1 or 2 will give that. You can give the any number. Click on create. So now here you can see in the below it is generating the table, generating TMG, so which takes some time. Once it is done, then we can do entry through TMG.